In this financial video, we will tell you the 10 steps to get rich. Even if you are starting from zero, these steps will actually make you rich. Many of my friends have already used these steps and they are now very rich. Watch this video till the end if you also want to achieve the goal of becoming a millionaire, as this video has all the important points. Now let's start. Step number 1, establishing a clear vision and purpose for building wealth. Understanding your desired lifestyle is crucial for determining your financial needs. Creating a vision board can be a powerful tool in turning your dreams into reality. When you engage in either of these exercises, it's important to have big dreams. It will help you stay incredibly focused and motivated to create the lifestyle you dream of. Take some time to explore and envision what it would be like to live in your dream home. Step number 2, develop a mindset and habits that promote financial success. To build wealth, it's important to reshape certain beliefs. Your upbringing plays a crucial role in shaping your financial mindset as an adult. If you associate happiness with individuals who have financial abundance, you will find yourself driven to cultivate wealth. To truly transform your money mindset, it's invaluable to delve into the wisdom of those who have achieved financial success. Immerse yourself in their books, engage in their courses, and participate in their seminars. Discover the actions of rich individuals. There are always clues left behind by successful individuals. Many individuals earn income only to immediately spend it. By practicing delayed gratification, saving diligently, and making smart investments, you can significantly increase your wealth over time. Hit the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. Step number 3, understand your current financial situation. Understanding your current net worth is essential. This is the most important number to consider. The amount of money you earn isn't the most important factor. Instead, what really matters is the amount of money you manage to save. If you find yourself constantly relying on each paycheck just to make ends meet, it can be challenging to make any progress towards your financial goals. To calculate your net worth, it's important to have a clear understanding of your assets and liabilities. Assets can include various items such as cash in the bank, investments, an online business, or a computer. Debt is a classic example of a liability. Step number 4, become a pro at managing your finances. Becoming a master of money is essential. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, as well as diligently keeping track of your finances. Managing money effectively is a common trait among wealthy individuals. One of the fundamental principles of building wealth is to live within your means and put your money to work for you. Afterward, it's crucial to reinvest those profits to generate further wealth. If you're constantly spending everything you earn, you won't have any extra money to save or invest. Therefore, you will continue to struggle and make no progress in your financial situation. One effective method is to keep a close eye on your weekly income and expenses. Step number 5, establishing financial objectives. Financial goals serve as the crucial building blocks that transform your aspirations into tangible achievements. Setting various financial goals is essential, such as eliminating debt, launching a product, or establishing a monthly budget. When setting your goals, it's important to ensure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. It's a good idea to establish goals on a weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis to determine your desired income. Step number 6, selecting the right vehicle to build wealth. It's important to take some time to consider your goals and determine the best strategy for achieving the financial success you're aiming for. I've discovered that entrepreneurs tend to be the most successful individuals. They transformed their ideas into a tangible reality and reaped the rewards of their unwavering dedication. I began researching individuals of this nature. I devoured their books, eagerly absorbed their courses, attended their events, and readily soaked up their podcasts. Going the extra mile, I discovered strategies to provide value to accomplished individuals in order to gain their mentorship. In just a few years, I managed to establish a highly successful online business that generated substantial profits. Step number 7. Become an expert in managing your financial resources. Once you have identified your wealth vehicle, it is crucial to become a master of it. Who should you seek guidance from? Which books are on your reading list? What are the key mindsets and habits that one should develop? Find ways to fully immerse yourself in your chosen field over the next year, allowing you to become an expert in your area of expertise. If you want to achieve significant success, it's important to avoid getting distracted by every new opportunity and spreading yourself too thin. Instead, it's important to maintain a strong focus on a single objective and delve into it thoroughly. Moreover, it's crucial to determine the high-income skills you should focus on developing in order to achieve financial success. Step number 8. Build momentum to expand your wealth. Starting a business and discovering your high-income skill can be a game changer, propelling you towards a lucrative six-figure income. If you're looking to take your wealth to the next level, it's important to understand the concept of leverage and scaling in order to maximize your potential. Entrepreneurs often encounter a significant hurdle when they attempt to handle every aspect of their business single-handedly. Yet, it becomes challenging to expand your business when you're responsible for every aspect of it. Time is a valuable resource. It is important to always keep that as the ultimate objective. Step number 9. Investing for financial freedom. At this point, it's important to determine how you can maximize the potential of your finances. It is recommended to have a monthly investment budget of at least $1,000. There is a wide range of investment options available, including real estate, stocks, ETFs, and investing in other businesses. Select one or two vehicles and delve into them extensively. Personally, my preferred investment options have been stocks and cryptocurrencies. It's important to have a clear investing strategy and avoid getting distracted. Many of the world's most successful entrepreneurs have transitioned to this stage. Step number 10. Maximize your financial potential. Currently, you're earning a substantial income. Taxes can quickly become your largest expense. If you're looking to devise a plan to reduce your expenses, I can help you with that. At this stage, it's important to shift your focus towards diversification and strategically allocating your investments. I prefer to diversify my investment portfolio beyond just stocks. Instead, I prefer to diversify my investments across various asset classes for long-term growth. Always consider the broader perspective when it comes to generating future wealth. Determine the specific amount of money that will enable you to live life on your own terms. That's all for today. Now you know all the actual steps to get rich. As I said before, all my friends have already tried these steps and they are now very rich. Press the subscribe button if you want to know more amazing tips and tricks related to finance. We observed the habits and behaviors of all the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and all others, and then we found out that they all followed these 10 steps in their life. We even read the books of Sir Robert Kiyosaki and listed out these 10 most crucial steps. This video took a lot of research. Please press the like button if you really loved watching this video. Investing is one of the most crucial steps, so you must do that, and you must do it even if you are young. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, cousins, and family members for them to learn. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Thanks for watching this video till here.